Alright guys, day 3 in Monterey, and today we are going to Big Sur, which is first time for both of us. We've never been there, so it's super exciting. We about to just, I guess, get gas and head that way and see what we can find.
Yes, I'm excited. Nothing but waves and they're spilling in. I want to dry up, but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here. All my reasoning have disappeared. I want to bury the hatchet. Okay, you guys, so we're making our way to Big Sur, to the waterfall.
I'm trying to see if we can find the waterfall.
Okay, but we caught some, we're just looking at cows and cliffs and water. So let me show you guys what we see, okay? Right, there she is. It is cold out here. It's gotten cold, so it's windy. He's getting the drone ready. And then here are our views. Here's our views. We're in Big Sur State Park, and I'm gonna show you guys some of the vegetation here, and it's like we're in a forest. We left the ocean.
Yeah, ocean and fields.
And cliffs.
And now we're like in Yosemite. That's what it feels like.
It's super beautiful.
Our home, we don't have to drift inside this.
Okay, you guys, so I have seen forest and trees and Yosemite in Colorado, right? I don't think I've ever seen the forest with this next to it. It's so, this place is magical. That's all I have to say. You don't think of the ocean and the forest together, right?
And fields with cows.
I mean, what, where are we?
Like what?
Where are we? Let me just show you guys. Oh my gosh. See? I'm not making this up.
Yesterday we could be ourselves. Didn't have much, but
Guys, we made it. We found the waterfall, and it's right behind me. You can guys see it right there. This is crazy, right?
So beautiful.
Once again, we're speechless, and all we have to say is wow. it's incredible.
I have nothing.
Gorgeous. So what we're gonna do right now, we'll take some shots and take some video. You will see it more clearly. This waterfall is seriously one of the most amazing things I have ever seen in my life. I'm not kidding. This is breathtaking. We don't want to leave. We want to just stand here and watch. My heart is full, and I'm so grateful to be able to see this, you know, to be amongst the nature. And it doesn't have to be amazing waterfall. It can be just forest or anything like that. I think Cher agrees with that as well, right?
Yes, it is so beautiful. I promise I cannot stop taking videos.
We don't want to leave, but we're gonna head back home because the sun is going down. This road is very windy
And
very
dark.
narrow, and it's gonna be very dark in a minute. So we better get going, right?
Aw.
Guys, we're all up in the bushes. After every single, like, every flower. Look what's happening here. Right, there you go.
Trying to
Get
catch the
those
bees,
close-up
guys.
shots.
In slow-mo.
Yep. It's everywhere. Here
So
flowers, here flowers, here flowers, everywhere. Here. And this is just a small space. There it's blooming. Everything is like crazy. I guess we're gonna spend the rest of our day in bushes with flowers, right?
Oh, I'm getting a good one. I like to get the bees. Oh, shoot. Oh, shit.
We're about to get stung by bees doing too much. Yeah, it's our last day. Sad.
So sad. It's so beautiful here. So we're over at the Fisherman's Wharf in Monterey. And so we saw a few sea lions. So we were going to try to capture them on film. But they're underwater. So let's see. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the views. Look. Let me get out of the way. Let you guys see the views. And so let's see if we can find some sea lions. We actually hear them, but we don't see them. And we saw two. So, oh, and here's my mask.
It's crazy.
It's so bright. It's beautiful out here, though. Look at all of the boats. So gorgeous. So let's see what we can find on this little adventure.
So after a long walk, it's time to get brunch, I guess. Breakfast/lunch. We found this little cute cafe, but we gotta wait 30 minutes, which is weird because usually on Sundays and Saturdays there is a wait, but right now it's Monday and there's still a wait. So I guess that means that it's worth it. We're gonna eat. We might go down the beach a little bit, just drive by it and say goodbye to Monterey and head back to LA. Our food is here. We got the raspberry pancakes and panini, chicken pesto panini. Yummy!
Yummy. I'm ready.